Good morning, children. Show that the angle bisectors of a triangle are congruent. This one you going to find for 9th sum. This one very easy one. Angle bisector means you're going to remember that Cvia's theorem. That all the perpendicular line, if you draw that from that vertex, if you draw that line, it touches the opposites of the triangle. That one is called that angle bisector. Okay, that angle bisector, use that angle bisector and to prove angle bisector means you can't remember Cvia's theorem. Understand? Cvia's theorem, that is very easy. Yes sir, you take that angle bisector means ABT theorem you apply and find all the product you take and multiply, you get that answer is 1. Inset lines are congruent. Understand? That only you going to prove that. Here you see that proof. You consider in triangle ABC, you take that angle bisector BE. Here you take that angle bisector CF. Here you take that angle bisector is AD. Okay. Next one, from that ABT theorem, if you take that AD is a bisector theorem, angle bisector means you get that the condition is AB divide AC, BD divide DC. Use these conditions here also. Therefore, you get AB in triangle ABC, AD is the bisector means forgot for the remaining. The AD is the bisector means what is that condition you get? AB divide AC is equal to BD divide DC. Okay, next BE you take that angle bisector. Therefore, in triangle ABC, same triangle, but you take BC is the angle bisector of B. Therefore, you take AE divide EC is equal to AB divide AC. Okay, Amma. Next, BC divide this line, BC divide AB. Okay. Next, you take CF is the angle bisector of angle C means you take AC divide BC is equal to AF divide FE. This is the condition. This only I written. See here. AB by AC, BD by DC. Second one, AB is the bisector of BC by BA equal to CE by AE. Next, in triangle CF is a bisector na AC by BC is equal to AF by FB. You take all the equation and multiply. Multiply 1, 2, 3. Therefore, AB by AC into BC by BA into AC by AC. Next, you take this all left hand side and right hand side. If you multiply, these all it's get cancelled. You get that answer is 1. Therefore, hence it's get the results by Cvia's theorem. AD, BE and CF are concurrent. All lie in same point. Therefore, it is called that concurrent. Okay. Okay, amma. Very easy for that. Okay, next one is 10th one I take. 10th one. 11th one you take down homework ma. 10th one. And triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree. BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AB equal to 8 centimeter. D is the point of AC such that AD is equal to 2 centimeter. And E is the midpoint of AB. Join D to E and extend it to meet at F. Find AB. Find AB. Okay, amma. Here in triangle ABC, angle B வந்து 90 degree கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதில் BC வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 6. AB வந்து 8. D is the point on A and AD is equal to 2 and E is the midpoint of AB. Join D to E and extend to meet at F. Find BF. That only is asked. See that diagram first. You draw the diagram. Here in triangle ABC. This is the diagram is given. B is the right angle triangle. Understand? B is the right angle. B is a right angle triangle. Okay, amma. Next is what is this given naga? Here AB is equal to 8 centimeter is given. This only fully 8 centimeter. This one fully 8 na. This one is 4. This one is 4. Understand? Next is what is this given na? D is a point on AC. D is a point on AC. Mark that. Next, extend that line. BE, extend that line. If you produce that line, you consider this line as F. Next, you join FD. Now, you're going to find the length of BF. That was the problem. Understand? Find BF. This one, if you come this diagram, you use that theorem is Malanus theorem. Okay. The points D and EF are, if you consider D, EF, DEF are collinear points. This மூணு ஒரே லை ஆச்சுனா, that one is called the collinear points. Collinear. Therefore, by Malanus theorem, you know that AE divide BE produce ஆகிற லைன் தான் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். இது வந்து எப்படி எழுதுவேன்? AE by EB அடுத்தது AD by DC or CD by DA AD into இந்த லென்த் மட்டும் எப்படி எழுப்பனா இந்த கண்டுபிடிக்கிற லென்த் BF by full length FC. ஓகே அந்த ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆன லைன் மட்டும் மெலனஸ் தியரம்னாக்க எது எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆயிருக்கோ அந்த இதை மட்டும் எப்படி எழுதுவேன்னா this length fully அதாவது this length by this length. இப்போ ஒரு லைன் வந்து நீ மாற்றி எழுதினால BF by FCனாலும் the product is equal to 1. Any one of the 6 segmentல any one of the segment order will change means that product is equal to 1. You studied in that Melanus theorem. Yes sir? அப்போ in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, this length is 4, you know, this length, but total length 8. Therefore, AB squared plus BC squared equal to AD squared. Therefore, AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared, that is equal to AC squared equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared. That is equal to 64 plus 36, you get AC squared equal to 100. AC is equal to, if you find square root of 100, you get 10. Therefore, now you find DC. DC means already this one 2 is given, the total length is 10. Appo this is 2 means this one is 8. You not automatically understand level. Okay. Therefore, DC is equal to 8. Next, substitute in Melanus theorem. 4 by 4 into 8 by 2 into x divided by x plus 6. Because this only you are going to find, but here 6 is, you know. Therefore, that full length is x plus 6. Okay, Amma. If substitute here, x divided by x plus 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, 4x divided by x plus 6, that is equal to 1. Therefore, 4x is equal to x plus 6. Therefore, 4x minus x is equal to 6. Therefore, 3x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 divided by 3. You get 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, BF is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, children. Okay, same like for the remaining sums. That next sum you take down homework, ma. That 10th one is very easy for you. The diagram is given. Use that Siva's theorem conditions. Then find out that answers. The triangle, all the medians is meet at 1.9. You make a congruent, na. You use Siva's theorem. If that extent level it will come means you use what theorem? Melanus theorem. Understand? Okay, Amma? Okay, thank you, children.